We recently told you in another video about the announcement of 2 new SCUF controllers for Xbox Series X, S and the PlayStation 5. Now, finally the first controller for Xbox Series X, S is in the pipeline. This is a new SCUF Instinct. Good morning and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming videos. The announcement of a new SCUF Instinct controller came directly from SCUF official Twitter profile, which with a post announced the arrival of a new controller. From the images released, you can see very important details that characterize the new controller. Starting from the design, the shape of the controller is very similar to the original Xbox Series X, S controller. The colors appear to be a deep black for main body with contrasting orange element to highlight the position to the analog sticks. Surely, as it has accustomed us in the past, SCUF will not release the controller only in this color, but also with various other color and special edition. Additionally, more shots were released that focus on other parts. In these specific zooms, you see the sticks and the triggers. Both feature an embossed texture with a hexagonal pattern and line screen that provide better grip in the hectic moments of matches. At the moment, neither the release date of the SCUF Instinct nor further detail are known about it. Waiting for new updates? Let me know as always in the comments below, and if you find this video helpful, then leave a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you again next time.